Do you have neck pain? We're going to show you 7 ways
Whoa, big
how
seven.
to make the neck pain better using your own hands. Magic hands.
Absolutely, Bob. I like this first one. We'll
Yeah.
get to it.
Bob and Brad, the two most famous physical therapists on the internet.
All right. Quite often, when you have neck pain, it correlates with a lack of neck motion, especially in the extension
Moving
movement.
backwards.
Right. So we want to start improving that movement. And one of the best ways, if you try it without any sport, it often hurts, right, Brad?
Right. In other words, just kind of going like this. And I've had a lot of people, oh, that
Yeah.
hurts when I do that.
It's good to do in a chair with a back support.
Exactly, Bob.
But even better is to provide some overpressure, some counter pressure by taking your fingers, and you can have the fingers just touch, Brad.
Yep.
And then you work your way back like this.
So it's and that support from your hands really makes a big
Really
difference.
makes a big difference.
If for some reason it hurts, you might have something unusual going on. But when you do this, it should say, "Oh, that feels better," and I can go back further with.
You'll know exactly where to put your fingers.
Yep.
Because they'll feel better.
Exactly right.
So a good set of 10, and you could do it every hour if you want.
Right.
That's what's nice. Your hands are always with you. All right.
All right.
Number 2, I'll talk about chin tucks. Brad and I have showed this, unfortunately, like 1,000 times. But what you're going to do is you're going to take your chin and you're going to tuck it in. So you're going to bring your chin back. You don't want to go up. You don't want to go down. You want to go straight back. But what we're going to talk about is using your hand for overpressure. So you can actually take your fingers and push on your chin, or you can take the crux of your thumb and go right in here and push down, back. All right, Brad's going to show the next one, which actually is a form of traction. If you're getting pain going down the arm a little bit, you might have a pinched nerve, and we actually want to take some stress off the neck and the cervical spine. So he's cupping around the ears with his hands, and then he's putting pressure through his elbows, and he's letting his whole body relax. And while he's doing that, he's actually getting some traction on the neck. Yeah, that's probably not a bad thing. So, all right, Brad's going to show. Yeah, Brad's going to show from another direction. Again, he's providing traction. He's pulling the neck up vertical towards the ceiling. Don't pop it off, Brad. You'll need it. All right, next one is actually we're going to work on rotations of the cervical spine or the neck. So what you do is you again could have your fingers, just have them lightly touch behind you, Brad. Well, when you're ready.
You got me back now. All right.
All right. Want to show that?
Yep.
And then bring him a little bit off the spinous process, Brad, and right there with them in that position, try turning your neck and providing a little overpressure. So when I turn my head to the left, I'm doing a little overpressure with my right hand. When I turn my head to the right, I provide a little overpressure with my left hand.
I've had people have a lot of success with it. When you add that support and that help, things move and feel better.
All right, Brad, we did the one where we provided some overpressure on the neck like this. Now we're going to actually go on the traps, the upper trapezius.
Yep.
And we're going to actually grab on and pull back and massage the upper traps while you're moving the neck back.
Now, I'm actually going on top of the clothing, but usually this works better underneath the skin on skin, but this way you can see the location.
All right, Brad, stay in that position. We're at number 6 now. You want to stay in that position?
Oh, I'm sorry. I was daydreaming again.
So we're going to work on massaging the suboccipital. That's where the neck meets the head, the skull.
Yep, right there.
Right.
It's a wonderful place to massage. You get in with those fingers, and Are we going to talk the circular and the
Right, circular and
splaying?
splaying,
Yep.
yes. Very tender area on many people. Comes from that forward head posture, and it gets all tight, and it gives you headaches quite
Yeah.
often.
Oh, I've had a lot of people comment on how nice this feels. So I hope I'm not making noise on my.
You
It's
and
not
I
too bad.
both.
Yeah. So circles, and then if you splay and you pull in and you
Pull
pull.
apart.
Yep. Oh, that can feel good. And a lot of times I'll throw in some extension with that. Boy, that's where that occipital nerve comes out and feeds up into your head and causes headaches. This can relax that.
Right, with all of these, you can combine them if you want.
Yep.
I mean,
Exactly.
the last one is actually we're going to stretch the sternocleidomastoid.
Ooh.
That's a muscle, a mouthful. It actually starts
This one
at the
right
mastoid process behind the ear. It comes down and attaches it to the sternum. So it's right here.
Yeah.
You can see it or not. Yeah. And what you're going to do is you're going to grab the base of it right where it's by the sternum. You're going to turn away from it.
So you're not actually grabbing it, you're putting pressure onto it.
And then you bend your head back like this. Oh, I always do that.
Yeah.
I mean, you want to go, oh, because it feels good.
You could really feel that specific muscle get a good stretch.
All right. If I'm going to stretch the right one, I'm going to go to the base of it. I'm going to turn to the left and extend back.
So I always had problems at first. It's a strict rotation, so looking over the shoulder, and then not
Extend
going
back.
backwards, but it's going back like
Looking
that.
up.
Yep.
Yeah.
And then, boy, that finger right there supporting that base of that muscle.
That provides the whole stretch.
Oh, yeah.
All right, so those are 7 things you can try. You got hands. You can do it throughout the day, 6, 7 times a day, and use the ones that only work for you.
Right, you'll know because they make you feel good, better, and maybe even put you to sleep. But so if you're working, don't go that far.
Send that pain out the door. I'm using a thumb.
That I got it that time. All right, have fun and be careful.